Hey YouTube, it's Alan Sagano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and today's topic is about, hey, where did all my storage go? So if you're running volume shadow copies, you may have, we call them turds, right? You might have a shadow copy of your server. I'm sorry, let me back up. So shadow copies are a way where you can kind of do a pseudo backup of your server before you do anything scary, or you might want to implement regular shadow copies so that you have multiple restore points in time throughout the day. And this is a part of the Windows Server OS. So, however, sometimes you'll take a shadow copy, it'll be there, and it takes up space, and you forget about it. And then you're wondering, why am I running low on disk space when it says, I have like, and a potential symptom of this is you might do like a windorstat, which is a, Windows utility for figuring out folders and stuff. It might say, hey, you have, 250 gigs of storage on this hard drive, and then you look, but the amount of storage that's being eaten up is closer to 400 or 500 gigs. You're like, this doesn't really add up right. So one of the quick ways to check for this is you can download a utility called WizTree. I'll put a link here where you can download that, and then you can check the size of the system volume information folder, which is where the shadow copies are kept. If it's pretty big, there's a 99% chance you have shadow copy turds that you weren't aware of. So you can take control of the system folder to remove those by, you can use, I'll put the command here, it's takeown space /F like Foxtrot, and then open quote, and then the drive letter, so if it was D in this case, D:\/ system volume information close quote, and that'll allow you to take ownership of the folder, and then you can delete any shadow copy turds. To avoid shadow copy turds in the future, what you can do is on the hard drive you configured shadow copies on, you right click, go to configure shadow copies, go to settings, and then set the maximum size that the shadow copies can contain. And then once it goes up to that size, it won't get any bigger. It'll just start overwriting the oldest version of the shadow copies. So if you have disk space that's gone missing and you have configured the server for shadow copies, this may be somewhere kind of one of those hidden things that you may not have thought about. It's like when you see this, like, of course, I forgot I did that, and that's where all my disk space is going. So anyway, hopefully if your disk space has gone missing, this is a place to check. If you like this content, please boink, hit the subscribe button, boink, hit the like button. It does help out the channel. Thanks a lot for listening. Stay safe out there. Hopefully you find you're missing your storage on your hard drives. And thanks for listening. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.